everyone, I have a very exciting video for you today. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can earn $300 per day with Google Translate. Even more, you can actually earn even more than $300 per day. I'm going to show you this step by step in this video. This is going to be an overview of what we're going to go over in this video. I'm going to show you how to get paid to translate files. I'm going to show you also how you're going to be able to make $100 to $300 plus per project. And I also will show you how to automate this process so that you do not actually have to sit down at your computer and spend hours to actually make this money. You're going to be able to do this within an hour or maybe 30 minutes. So it's going to depend on how big the project is. But the bigger the project, the more money. So as you can see right here, here is a screenshot from the actual website. It is a very cool website that I'm going to show you. You can see they're offering between $200 and $300 to translate from English to Spanish. And don't worry if you do not know how to speak Spanish or you don't know how to type in Spanish very well or whatever the case may be. I'm going to show you a tool that is actually going to translate this for you. Like I said, it's going to be an automated process. So it doesn't matter if you don't know how to speak another language. I'm going to show you how to do this in just a few minutes. So stick around and watch this entire video. And also for those of you who are asking about the affiliate marketing course, it is still available. You can get this course right now. This is my course that I have released on how to create a full-time affiliate marketing business. This is actually one of the best ways to make money online. If you want to actually take advantage of this course and start making real money online, make sure that you click the first link down in the description. This is, again, one of the top ways to make money online if you're serious about actually creating a real business online that will actually last for years to come. As you can see, I've been on leaderboards and I have generated 4-figure days in commissions. This is with one program. I promote several different programs online and earn commissions, thousands and thousands of dollars in commissions. And as you can see here, here's a free training video that you can also check out before you sign up if you do decide to sign up. So make sure you go ahead and like this video. Before we get started, also make sure that you subscribe to this channel. Hit the bell icon to receive notifications on when I drop new videos, because I will be dropping videos on how to make money online, giving you different strategies on how to earn extra money online. Now let's jump into the video. Now we can see here that I'm on a website called Latium. This is a website that will pay you to do different projects, different freelancing projects online, and they're going to pay you in US dollars, or you can get paid in cryptocurrency, which is very, very powerful. As you can see here, we have different projects here for simple things and some projects for complex things, but I'm going to show you how to actually do one of the easiest things, which is translate. You can see here we have different projects here that pay out $550, $300 to $400, another one for $300 to $400. Here's one that is kind of a small amount, $30 to $50, and then we have some down here as well. So this website is a up-and-coming freelance website that is very, very cool because they allow you to get paid, like I said, through cryptocurrency and US dollars. So if we come here and browse, if we click right here on browse and click on browse projects, we'll be able to see the different projects that we can actually sign up for and get paid for. So as you can see here, we have different categories here. You have surveys, graphic design, social and digital marketing, websites, usability testing, and things like that. But we're going to focus on translation and languages because I'm going to show you how to automate this entire process in this video. So you definitely want to watch this entire video if you're serious about making $300 per day or even more with this website. It is very, very possible because you can get paid, as you can see here, up to, even this one here is $700 to $800 for this particular project. This one is actually for converting sales reports. But if we go over to translation and languages, we can see how much we can get paid for translating. So this one here, $300 to $400 This one here, $200 to $275, so on and so forth. So in order to get started with this website, I'm going to actually log out because I'm logged in. I'm going to show you the sign up process. So this is the home page. This is what it looks like when you're not logged in. You're going to click right here where it says I want to work, and you're going to register here. You're going to put in your name, your email, and your password, and then you're going to click on continue. So once you have signed up, you're going to then go through the onboarding process. You're going to put your profile picture in, and then you're going to do your biography. You're going to tell them a little bit about yourself, about your experiences and everything, so that people that are looking to hire you will know about your skills and what you have to offer. And you can also list your skills here by selecting what type of skills that you have. For this video, we're going to be talking about translation. So you can put translation on here and any other type of skills that you have. You don't have to just stick to translation. They have tons of different skills here that you can select. So you select translation and languages, then you're going to select what skills do you offer to your clients. You're going to select what languages you speak that you can translate. And you can also click on load more if you don't see the language that you actually speak or that you can translate. And then you're going to have to probably click on load more again, and you'll be able to see the rest of them. Spanish is down here towards the bottom. And then you're going to select your level of experience. Then you're going to click on next, and then you're going to set your hourly rate, and then click on next. And then you're going to add things to your portfolio to showcase your work. I'm just going to skip that for now. So now you're going to be taken to a page that looks like this that says get me or get more work, earn points, and boost your profile, strengthen your Latium profile, and be matched with better and higher paying projects. So click on boost my profile, select where you live at. You're going to select your country, then your gender, your date of birth, hit continue, then your primary language. And then you're just going to answer all of these questions here. There's 11 questions for you to answer. Okay, once you have answered all those questions, I'm going to say congratulations, your profile just got a little stronger. You can either click on start earning now or keep boosting my profile. If you click on keep boosting my profile, it's going to have you answer more questions for more points. So you want to have your points as much as possible. You want to gain as many points as possible. That way you can get more work that people would be able to actually hire you, and they're going to be able to see your profile more because of the points that you have. So you definitely want to actually do this so that you can make more money. So answer the questions here. They're very quick questions, and you get 10 points per question. And it doesn't matter what your answer is, you're still going to get the points. Okay, so that is how you boost your profile. You're just going to answer questions and earn more points. Now, once you've done that, you're going to make sure that you have your wallet and everything set up so that you can get paid. Now, the really, really cool thing about this website is that you can get paid in US dollars and cryptocurrency. So you can pick which cryptocurrency that you want to get paid from or want to get paid in, and you can get paid in that cryptocurrency. Now, if you know anything about cryptocurrencies, the value of the currency is always going up or down, and you can get paid in a certain currency like US dollars and switch it over to Bitcoin, or you can buy Bitcoin, and whatever day that you switch it out to your currency, it may be worth more because the price is always changing. It's always going up and down. So that is a good option if you want to just do US dollars, and you can do that. And you can also trade it for any of these other currencies on here, any of these other Bitcoins, or I'm sorry, cryptocurrencies on this list. So this is the wallet. Now I'm going to show you the exact process for making some money with this website. So what you want to do is you want to click on browse, and you want to click on browse projects. Now what you want to do is you want to come over to the left hand side, and you want to select where it says translation and languages. Now if you have skills in other categories, you may do that as well. This is just going to be a basic overview of how to actually make money with this website using a basic skill set that anyone could pretty much do. So you're going to click on translation and languages. Now it's going to be automatically sorted from the newest project that was released. So you're going to see all of these different projects here, and you're going to be able to look at every single project if you click on it, and you can see the requirements. Now another thing that you're going to notice is that you're going to be paid in a certain currency. So some of these projects are paid in different cryptocurrencies, or maybe paid in US dollars. So you can see this one here is paid through Bitcoin. This one is paid through another cryptocurrency, so on and so forth. You can also see that this one right here is paid in US dollars. So they want someone who knows how to translate past memos from English to Hindi. So if you know Hindi and you know English, you can potentially get in on this project and earn between $100 and $150. You can also get in on this one as well. This one you can translate from English to Spanish. This one is more common. So whichever one that you are interested in, you can actually participate in as many projects as you want to. And just in case you're thinking, well, I don't know how to speak Spanish, I don't know how to speak Hindi, I don't know how to speak or even translate from English to another language, or maybe you don't speak English very well and you want to participate in this, all you really have to do is use this tool that I'm going to show you right now that's going to do the translation for you. So you want to go over to Google Translate. You're going to use Google Translate. You're going to put in the language, or you can put in the text first, and you can just select the language if you want to, or you can have Google Auto detect it. I would just select whatever language is supposed to be translated to. So for example, we can translate from English to Spanish. And all we have to do is really just type in English and then come over here and type in Spanish. And what you'll do is you'll paste this, or you'll paste the text that they give you into this box here, and it's going to come out with Spanish text. So you can easily do that with Google Translate. And also, to make sure the grammar is correct, you could go over to Grammarly and you could make sure that the grammar is correct, and you can download their Chrome extension for free. And you can also sign up for an account to have more access to different tools and things like that to help you with the grammar in case you don't fully speak Spanish or whatever language that they want you to translate to. So for example, in order to get in, you want to click on the project. And the way that this works is you want to take a look at the project, take a look at the requirements and the instructions. They're going to have a description here. You're going to look at it and see if it fits you the best. For this project, let's see, they're paying, this is going to be $200 to $250 in equivalent in US dollars, but they're going to pay out in this currency here, this cryptocurrency. I'm not sure which one this is. I know this is abbreviation, but it's LATX, and you can see which one it is by going to the wallet, of course. But you can get paid in this currency, and you're going to transfer it over to US dollars if you want to. Now, if this currency goes up in the next day or whatever day it is going to fluctuate, and you can actually potentially earn more. So that's why it says between $200 and $250. So if you are interested in a specific job like this one, you're going to place a bid on the project. So you're pretty much going to give them an offer for the project. So you can give them a lower offer than this, or you can give them a higher offer, because there are going to be other people who want to do this project as well. So if they choose to hire you, they're going to look at how much you're bidding on the project, meaning how much you want to get paid and how soon you can actually start. So if you put in something like $150 and then you put how soon you want to start, which would be the 26th, which would be the soonest, and then you select the time frame, the earliest time frame, you want to do it as early as possible, you may end up getting hired for this particular project. So once you start accepting jobs and once you start getting hired for different jobs and projects, you'll be able to build up your profile, and you'll be able to get more and more projects very quickly, because they're going to see your ratings and they're going to pick you very quickly, and you're going to be able to build up your profile, and you can easily accept 2 to 3 jobs a day and earn $300 a day, $400 a day, even more. It's going to depend on how many projects and how many jobs you accept, or how many projects you get picked for. So you just have to be consistent, and you have to apply for as many projects as you can. As you can see here, they have plenty of projects to choose from, plenty of projects for you to apply for and bid on and get picked. So you should go ahead and get started with this website today and start earning some extra money. And don't forget, if you are able to do any of these other categories like graphic design, social and digital marketing, whatever you're good at, whatever you have a skill set in, you can also do that as well. You can also accept projects in different categories. So thank you for watching this video, and make sure that you subscribe. Make sure that you hit the bell icon to receive notifications when I drop new videos, and I will see you in the next video.